Hello friends! Today I have prepared a very unusual and interesting video for you. We called it a 4D card because in one figure we get as many as 4 drawings. It turns out really great. You can draw beautiful pictures or you can write any greetings. Moreover, this card is suitable for any holiday. An amazing DIY project. Let's get to work. So we take a sheet of A4 paper, a ruler, scissors, a pencil, hot glue, but you can replace it with regular glue, and colored markers. We make marks on the sheet of paper Next, we draw the fold lines along the marks, but we do this not with a pencil, but with scissors, so the drawing doesn't remain. Now we fold along the lines. Then we make marks at the bottom on the sides, and draw a horizontal line. Now we make additional marks where I show and draw lines. And then we measure the distance, this little one here. And we draw an identical parallel line. Now we can cut it out. Next, we also use scissors to draw diagonal lines. What diagonal lines do we draw on the other side? Now along these lines we fold . The base is ready, we just need to assemble our structure. Like this, we fold and glue in sequence. That's it guys, it's done. All that's left is to color it. When turning on different edges, we make drawings.
subtitles created by Dimitor's author.
Agreed, it turns out very unusual. If you liked it, be sure to like, leave your comments, stay with us, subscribe. Goodbye everyone, see you soon.
Titles, Dimat?